Design complexity of data acquisition systems continues to increase as more measurement and monitoring functionality are incorporated into a smaller form factor. Reducing development risk, time to market, and R&D budget is key to business success. Precision signal chain µModule data conversion solutions reduce the development cycle by transferring the design burden of component selection, optimization, and layout from the designer to the device. A precision signal chain µModule utilizes heterogeneous integration to combine ADI's portfolio of industry-leading products with its iPassive technology and advanced 3D assembly technology. It yields a thoroughly tested signal chain that enables the system designer to quickly achieve their end goal. No debugging or optimizing of external circuitry is required. 3D assembly technology reduces swap, size, weight, and power. Interconnectivity parasitics such as inductance, capacitance, and resistance are reduced, enabling higher signal integrity and reducing power consumption. Footprint reduction also enables more functionality in a smaller footprint. Discrete signal chain solutions come with many secondary costs, from assembly to yield loss, field return support, manufacturing technical support, and signal chain calibration. A precision signal chain µModule reduces the total cost of ownership of a system over its lifetime. Parametric drift calibration costs are reduced because the passive components that influence drift are integrated into the µModule. The datasheet covers the full signal chain, enabling consistent performance and higher manufacturing yield, reducing the need for technical support in manufacturing. With fewer discrete components and interconnect on the PCB, system reliability is improved, reducing field return support costs. Pick-and-place cost and assembled PCB yield loss is also reduced. With performance-sensitive passives incorporated in the signal chain µModule and performance limits of that signal chain specified in the datasheet, designers will spend less time debugging and characterizing for environmental conditions, and more time can be focused on validating new sections of their system. To see the range of precision signal chain µModule solutions available, visit analog.com/precisionmodules.